What's up, YouTube? So I was asked a question on an adapter I bought for my bike. Now, this is a pretty simple adapter, and the whole purpose of it is on the Road King, they do not have a USB port. Why Harley didn't put a USB port on this particular bike baffles me. All right. The Softails have them. The big touring bikes, as far as, you know, Street Glide, Road Glide, all that crap, they have them, but not a Road King. So I thought this was very inconvenient because, let's face it, we live in a very technologically advanced world. We all need to charge stuff while we're on the go. And my bike's really no different. For me, this is becoming my new mode of transportation. I ride it way more than I drive my truck because, let's face it, 40-ish miles a gallon or more versus 17 and a half. So yeah, man, my nose itches today. Allergies. No, it's not the Rona. Don't think that. No call. So anyways, you know, you've all seen me talk about my mount. Well, I needed to charge. So I ran me a charge cable up under everything, and it comes in here into my, as you can see, my very dirty, full of stuff saddlebag. Well, in here, I got this charger. As you can see, has a little on-off switch. So it tells you how many volts are coming to it. When the bike started up, it actually gives you a good reading. And this particular model, here, let's see, I got this new, oh there, look at that. Like that. So, this particular model actually, if you look at it there, plugs into your, right here. Now, you can actually run this up. The cord itself would have only got me, and here I'm going to show you, would have only got me to the tank. So I found that being as inconvenient. Did not realize this. So my solution, let's see if I can zoom this in. I don't know how to do all this. Nope, guess I can't do that in the video. Anyways, so my solution was I'll just leave it plugged in to this extension cable. All right, and I notched my saddlebag right here. All right, I'm gonna take this off the mount real quick. So you can see that right here. I notched it. So I run my USB cord for my phone. That's run up under everything. Comes up here, plugs in at my beautiful phone mount there, all right? And I just drape all the rest of this in here. All right, and you can see it plugs up. I've got it nice, discreetly plugged up back there under everything. That's my battery tender kit spot. So that's all this does. It plugs into the battery tender and it gives you the ability to charge. Now, like I said, I just leave it plugged up just like this. So I can run two things at once if need be. I can shut my saddlebag and I don't have any issues. So that part was only 14 bucks, something like that on Amazon. And I bought two of them because my father-in-law, he's got a Fat Boy. Some of you might see it on the channel whenever I'm doing like rides or whatever. It's that nice, beautiful yellow old bike that's out in front of me. So yeah, that's his Fat Boy. His didn't come with one either because it's a 91. So that's it, man. I just thought it was a good thing to share. Got any other questions or likes or whatever, throw them down in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Also, subscribe. Share the video if you like. Till next time, all right?